Hi, it's me again. I hope y'all see my channel, Jazaria Eugene. You will see faces, some faces. Y'all will see emojis like this. Some of them emojis like that. And so what I'm gonna be doing today is how to make slime. I'm gonna make slime just like this with foam balls. No, with no foam balls. I mean. So let's get started. Let's go this way. Okay, so let's get started from making this slime. I made some green slime this weekend, but I didn't video it. So let's get started from making pink slime. So first you would add some shaving cream. And then we'll mix it. I will just use my hand. But they have glue up in here. Then you'll mix it. And then you'll add some contact solution. Not too much and not too little. It's starting to make out some pink eye drop, some pink food color. So some pink food color. So I use all of that. And then I will mix it with my hands again. You see how my hands are getting all messed up, messy and pink? Look. And I'm gonna take it out because it's ready. Okay, I'm sorry. So then this is how I made my slime. So if you want it to be pink or green, just buy some green food coloring, any kind of food coloring, pink food coloring, black food coloring, rainbow. You can buy all the food colorings and put it on your slime. It's gonna be like a purple color. If you put a light purple. But last time my sister, I did it. It was purple. Because I like the purple more better. So I put more purple than the rainbows. And then I still had some more, but I don't know what happened to the rest. So I just did them without no food coloring. It was white. I bought some blue shaving cream, some of blue shaving gel, and then it was blue. So it made my slime blue. You buy some white shaving cream like this one, makes it white. But I add some food coloring, it made it white, right. So I hope you like this video and subscribe, like, and go down and hit that like button and go down and subscribe.